What's going on, guys? Crypto Doge here, back with another video. So the question everyone is asking, since Bitcoin had a pretty nice run up in the last few days, is will Bitcoin ever surpass its highs of around 20,000, and will it actually surpass its highs of 20,000? So if we go here to the CoinMarketCap, we can see that Bitcoin over the last few weeks has kind of been sleeping at around 14K. It was around this period here, so Bitcoin was kind of like chilling at 14K while other cryptocurrencies were having massive rises in the market, and then the Bitcoin dominance was going really low. I think at one point it was actually under 30%, which is pretty unheard of in cryptocurrency. So yeah, other coins in the last few weeks, such as Ripple, of course, Stellar, Cardano, Tron, Rayblocks was a big one, and Verge and Sia Coin. All these coins were going up crazy percentages in the last few weeks, which pretty much made people kind of forget about Bitcoin almost and start focusing on these other cryptocurrencies that are going up massive percentages, because people are always trying to make money, right? And going into the cryptocurrencies that are getting these massive percentages, and people were seeing that Bitcoin was not getting these massive percentages. Therefore, Bitcoin was kind of just sleeping for a few weeks. About 2 weeks, it was kind of just sleeping, not doing really much for price action, kind of just chilling at 14K. I will be making videos about other cryptocurrencies that have been getting these massive numbers in the last few weeks, such as Ripple, Stellar, all these coins. I will be talking about them and which coins you should actually invest in and if they're worth it. But in this video, we're mostly going to be talking about the OG coin, Bitcoin. So we're just going to be talking about this and pretty much its medium to long term price action, what I think is going to happen in the market. So as you guys might know, Bitcoin did actually have a run up a few days ago, actually yesterday. It actually went to like a low of around 12K, and then after just had a massive run up to around 17K, and then since then has came back down to around 16K. So people were saying, oh, is Bitcoin going to continue rising like it did a few weeks ago and go back to around 20K? And but obviously that did not happen. It did get kind of a halt in its run up. But I actually think that this is just the beginning to another big Bitcoin bull run, and that the price might actually go back to 20K and might even surpass it, surpass the price action that it got to a few weeks ago, which is around 20K. Honestly, I don't think that this run up is going to be, this upcoming run up that I'm predicting will be as big as this run up, that's for sure, or even just this one. I think it will be more of a steady run up, and maybe somewhere to around back to 20K, maybe a little bit higher, 21, 22K, but not much higher than that. Okay, guys. So I think that is definitely very plausible that Bitcoin goes back to around 20K. Bitcoin is definitely looking for a run up. You guys can see in the price action, it's kind of been going down, going up, going down, going up, and then you can kind of see this stair formation that's been happening. You see, it's kind of like a stair that's happening. The stair is kind of going up, going up, going up. The stair, like, it's kind of stair, and I think there's about to be a big stair right here, kind of like here, because as you guys can see, if we draw like a support line, trend line here, you guys can see it's kind of looking like this right here, how it was kind of toppling out here. Okay, you topple it out here, and then boom, a nice big run up. So I think that's really going to happen. I think the price action is going to go back to around this line of about 16.5K ish. And then after, it's going to kind of stay there, bounce around, bounce, and then boom, a big run up in the next few days, maybe few weeks. Definitely, I think in February, I don't know about January, I think the end of February, beginning of January, beginning of February, there's going to be a pretty substantial run up in Bitcoin, because as you guys know, Bitcoin is the original coin of cryptocurrency. So any new people getting into Bitcoin, getting into cryptocurrency, have to come into Bitcoin first, most of the time at least. You can get into a Litecoin and stuff first, but most people are buying Bitcoin to start off with. So that's why I think Bitcoin is going to keep going up once new investors come in, which there are hundreds of thousands of new people getting into cryptocurrency every single day. And I just think that those numbers are going to continue rising as people see these numbers in the market. And once this market cap is actually going to hit $1 trillion, it's actually getting dangerously close to, not dangerously, but it's getting really close to $1 trillion, which is just insane. You can just see like this exuberant run up in the market. A few days ago, it was like at 700 If you guys see, January 1st, it was at 600, a little bit under 600. 6 days ago it was at 600, now it's at 800. It's just crazy. You guys can see this run up in the last year. At the beginning of the year, the market cap was at like 10 billion or something like that. 10 to 15 billion, which is crazy that now it's almost at $1 trillion. And I definitely do think we will be hitting $1 trillion in the next month or two, which is crazy. And you could also see how the volume has just been ramping up in the last few months of cryptocurrency as more people are getting in, which is just insane. More money is going to get pumped into cryptocurrency as people realize that fiat currency is not very good and that these cryptocurrencies are very good. That's why Ripple has been going up so much in the last few weeks. Or I'm not going to talk about Ripple too much, but it's because the banking system is so terrible right now, and Ripple is for banks. That's why Ripple has just been going crazy high, and it's actually more than half of the market cap of Bitcoin now, which is crazy. That's just insane to think about that. And also Ethereum has just been going up insane amounts, over $1,100 now, which is really good, especially since I am mining Ethereum, so I am happy about that. I'll probably be making a video about Ethereum, Ripple, a lot of these cryptocurrencies I'm going to be making videos about, going more in depth. But right now, yeah, we're just talking about Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin definitely in the next few days or few weeks will continue to go up, will start running up just like it did a few weeks ago. And I think it will surpass 20K or maybe get close. But definitely if you can buy at these levels, I wouldn't say it's too bad to buy at these levels, because I think you can definitely sell at 20K in the near to medium future. So that's gonna be it for this video. Let me know what you think about this Bitcoin price, my prediction for the Bitcoin price, and if you think it's gonna go back to 20K or if it's just gonna start sitting in this range or even start going down. So let me know in the comment section below what you think about that, and anything else you think about any of the other cryptocurrencies, Ripple, whatever. You could talk about that in the comment section below. Definitely leave a like on this video. Let's try to hit like 50 likes on this video if possible. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.